In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify API key. Starting with the basics, every Shopify store owner or developer at some point needs to access their API key. This key is essential for integrating third-party apps and services with your Shopify store, enhancing its functionality and providing a richer experience for your customers. So, whether you are looking to develop a custom app or connect your store to an existing one, obtaining your API key is a crucial first step. First off, head to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on it. This action is pretty straightforward and is your gateway to entering the backend of your Shopify store, where all the magic happens. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your store details. Here's where you need to be careful. Make sure to enter your store's unique address correctly. Accuracy at this stage saves time and prevents unnecessary hiccups down the road. Next, you will be presented with several options for logging in. To keep things simple and secure, I recommend clicking on Continue with Email. This option allows you to use your email address associated with your Shopify account, ensuring that your entry into the Shopify backend is as seamless as possible. Once you have entered your email, you'll likely have multiple accounts to choose from, especially if you manage more than one Shopify store or have multiple accounts. Be sure to select the account that corresponds to the store you wish to generate an API key for. This step is crucial as each Shopify store has unique credentials, including unique API keys. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Shopify store. This is where all your store's data, orders, products, and more can be managed. But to get to our main task, you'll need to navigate to the Settings tab. You'll find this option at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's your central hub for managing everything from store details to payments and checkout settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Apps and Sales Channels option. This is where Shopify allows you to manage apps, whether it's installing new ones or developing your own for a custom function on your store. Click on it and let's proceed to the next step. Upon entering the Apps and Sales Channels section, you'll see an option titled Develop Apps. This is for those who are looking to create custom integrations or apps for their store. Even if you're not a developer, don't worry. Shopify has made navigating these waters as straightforward as possible. Click on Develop Apps and you'll be brought to a new page dedicated to app development on your Shopify store. Here, the Create an App button is your next stop. Click on it and a dialog will pop up asking you to name your app. Choose a name that is descriptive and makes it easy for you to remember what the app is for, especially if you plan on developing or using multiple apps. After naming your app, proceed by clicking Create App. Shopify will then work its magic in the background, setting up the framework for your new app. This process is quick and in just a few moments your app will be ready for the next steps. Following the creation of your app, you'll need to access its API credentials. This is done by clicking on the API credentials link located in your app settings. Here you'll find various pieces of information crucial for integrating your app, but most importantly, this is where your coveted API key lies. Finally, by selecting API key, you can view and copy your newly generated API key. This string of characters is your key to integrating your Shopify store with other applications, opening up a world of possibilities to enhance your store's functionality. In summary, obtaining your Shopify API key involves navigating through your store's settings to the app development section, creating an app, and accessing your API credentials. With this key, you can now bridge your Shopify store with various apps and services, enhancing your and your customers' overall experience. Remember, your API key is sensitive information. Treat it with care, ensure it's kept secure, and only share it with trusted parties or services. That wraps up our guide on obtaining your Shopify API key. I hope you found this video helpful. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a store owner venturing into the world of apps for the first time, these steps will help you secure your key and expand your store's capabilities. Happy integrating.